So guys, now we're heading na talaga sa Subic, and this for real. Kasi di na talaga ito mababawi kasi nakapasok na kami dito. Hi guys, so we're here na sa Subic, and parang nagko-find kami ng paglalansyan kasi parang wala na kaming pera talaga eh. Sobrang init guys. And we're heading to Kuya Jay's kasi nandun na yung mga kasama namin.
Do you want to Kuya Jay's? Sige, pwede na.
Is it here?
Oh.
Okay. So it's here na guys. We're going na sa Kuya Jay's. Hi Brent. Guys, mag-hello sila sa inyo.
Hi guys.
Gagawin ka namin like now. Hi guys. We're here again sa kotse. At papunta kami yung primero. Ayun na guys. Maalis na kami. We're here na guys! Guys, we're here na! Sobrang ganda ng view. Tignan mo guys. Oh. Na para bang sobrang sasarap ng mga taong na to. Tara guys. Go. And guys, sobrang ganda dito guys. Oh, diba? Parang I wanna swim. Parang gusto mo mag-swimming eh. Parang tao. Parang gusto nilang mag-swim guys. Oo.
Angeline, mag-ingat ka naman.
Medyo inahangin yung maganda guys. Guys, Titanic daw sila guys.
Yan!
Sige, sorry. Titanic ba yun?
Oh my god, very much Titanic vibes. It's giving me Rose and John Jack Johnson. Sino si John? Sobrang ganda dito guys. Like for real. Ay, apaka OA.
O, si Chris lang.
Ah, hindi. Guys, nagkikita yung forehead ko. Ito. Ay, OA. Sobrang OA. Sobrang Latina naman ng babae na yan. Sino to? Naka-blue. Best video ka mukha mo si Snow White here. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Ay! Joke lang.
Yeah, medyo. Basta, magkano yung pinagas mo kanina?
Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Picturean kita, Iron. Profile mo. Ang pugi
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tara na guys. Let's go.
Ay, go.
Guys, dito na. Tara na. Oh, vlog ka na.
Hi guys. Where are we?
our primero kontrabida.
Tagnia.
Oh, let's talk about life. Let's talk about life.
Nangaling tapat.
Tangan tapak, bes. Bes, gusto mo mag-swimming?
Yeah.
Pwede. Doon, no, meron doon. Like, meron siyang shore. Gusto mo nga, tara.
Tara.
Babad natin paa natin.
Tapos malalagot tayo kay Beroy, tapos
Anong kay Beroy? Ano kay Beroy dito?
Sagay! Iniisip pa sa Beroy! Kasi naalala ko na pagkalitan si Beroy.
Ano?
O, hindi daw yung tatlo. Sino pa yung isa?
Hello!
Ina!
Hello! Marl! Kung ano, kinabukasan, hindi makakalakay si Pong pag-research.
It was very nice.
Eh, di ba? JC also, ano?
Ay!
Parang galing sa break. So, look at the view. Damn! Damn, the view. Damn, ang sarap ng tubig. Gusto ko mag-swimming. Ang ganda talaga ng ano mo, camera mo, naiinis ako. Ano?
Itutok mo pa sa akin, halong gagawin.
Salt air.
Ay, kanara nag-music video ka.
Gosh.
Hawakan mo kanara. Hawakan mo yung ano, camera. Ay, yung hawakan mo to. Tapos yan, kanara nagaan ka. Kakanta ka na, dali.
Salt air. And the rust on the door. But it's over. Music video!
There's something about you.
Then now, I can't remember, it's the same damn thing. Basa na yung pants ko. Hawakan mo.
This girl.
Sige to.
This girl is on water.
Water?
This girl is on water. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Make me sweat.
1, 2. 1, 2, 3, go. Make me sway. Make me water.
Ikaw dapat ang mag-make me sweat.
Mga nakasal, ano ko eh, nakapansa. Marl, come on, make me sway.
No, I cannot.
Look in the camera. 1, 2, 3, go. Make me sway. Make me water. Yeah. Eh?
Make me look.
Kaldag, kaldag, kaldag. Kaldag, kaldag, kaldag.
Make me water.
Yes.
Water.
Yay!
That's squirt.
Where have you been? Oh, Malaya, Laya. Oh, Malaya, Laya, Laya, Laya. Where have you been? Oh, Malaya, where have you been? Oh, hey. We're here in our beach. Guys, private beach to ni Shania. Sana maniwalang lahat. Ayan siya guys. Kasi private resort niya to eh. Ayan guys oh. Oh eh.
Ganda.
Super ganda.
Jezebel.
Super Jezebel.
You don't know Jezebel, no?
Jezebel.
Yes.
Tinabol ka niya. Hinahabol ka ng camera.
Galing.
Ay! heading out. We're heading out, guys. We're going home. I wanna be
Where
the people are. That's the sun, guys. Anong sinasabi mo?
Sayonara.
Sabi na ba ka pa? Bye-bye, guys! Bye-bye. Anong masasabi mo sa trip natin today?
Super fun.
For fun. Super fun. So,
Super.
bye-bye. Ingat-ingat.
Bye! May pwesto pa. Sige mo.
Oo, sayang eh. You'll go home na?
No.
Not yet, not yet.
For the sunset.
Okay, bye. Bye to the camera. Say bye.
Bye guys, I will miss you. 1 week. Bye, I love you.
Ingat na, boy.
I love you. Iyak.
Thank you so much, guys. You guys ingat po. Bye-bye. I love you guys.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye, guys. See you next time.
Bye-bye, Chris. Vlog ni Chris.
Bye, vlog. Bye, vlog.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, mommy.
Wow.
Cute din mo.
Mga Earl, guys, tinan mo yung mukha niya. Ay! Para bata!
Yukiyoto.
Cute na, Mar.
Where are we going?
Where?
Akia? Ano? Akia? Ano? Where we're going?
Akia.
Where are we going?
We're going to Adaya.
Going to? Say it over. Uy! Guys, we're here. Reaction challenge. Like, ang masasabi nyo? Speechless si bakla.
Bakit?
Kasi maganda. Look.
Sana may sana.
Like this guys, so montage. Look that shit. What can you say? What can you say?
Sumakses.
Sumakses siya, guys. Ang ganda, guys. So, nagpapating ko na naman siya tito niya.
Yung tito.
Si Tito Brent. Thank you, Tito Brent.
You're welcome na.
Wait a minute.
I love my friends. friends. I love the people currently around me. And I sobrang appreciate.
Haggard much. Wala na akong blush tape.
Wala na, oily na ako.
Ako din eh, no? Singka oily kami guys ni Angeline Tan.
Ay, wow.
Okay guys, magpapaalam na kami. Thank you for this day. You see our date at it because it's only 1% na lang. And thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos and for your notification popping bitch.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye.
Paano mo na? Paano mo na?
It's 1% na lang.
Sige, bye.
Bye-bye.